Hello everybody, I'm the Harbinger, and this is Beltmatic. It's a game I just happened to stumble over, and I think it looks enough like Shapez that I wanted to check it out, and it is math-based instead of shape-based, which is just up my alley, so without further ado, let's get to it. So it is very similar to Shapez in that we have a central processing unit and we need to deliver stuff to it, and we can mine all of this different stuff to get it. Now, at the start of the game, we can only mine these ones, but we can easily overcome this obstacle by unlocking more stuff later. So we just unlocked the option to make addition, and we are gonna unlock the ability to extract 2's in 2 more levels. So if we want to have 2's before that, we need to do some addition. But that's a piece of cake. We just do like this over here, and put loads and loads of 1's into these adders, and they will take a while, but then they will produce these 2's, which we can deliver over here for the second level here. Now, doing addition takes a lot more time than just mining stuff, so we need a lot more of these processing chambers than we just need of these miners, but that is fine. And yeah, we just need to wait for these 2's to join up into the central cube here, and there's that. Okay, level 3 is of course adding together to get 3's, and that's a little bit more complicated than just making 2's. I quickly found out that I prefer this method here, where we are just using 2 of these multiplication units to add together like this. Now, it is getting stuff to us later that is going to make all of these processes a lot easier, but you know, it's the first day at school. Everybody needs to start somewhere, and we are starting with simple addition, just adding 1's together to make 3's over here. Now, I don't want to wait for the entire day, so let's find some more 1's that can also make 3's for us, like you can do. And let's see, yeah, you're probably a little bit too far away, but you can do it too. Okay, scoop, and yeah, just games where you can do like this and just copy and paste everything. They're just lovely. Just making everything you want to do is so much easier. And also we have upgrades. So when we have delivered the shapes from here earlier, we also can over deliver them to get upgrades unlocked. So let's do this here, and now these extractors here can no, the belts are faster, never mind. So yeah, it's a little bit weird how this works, because the belts are faster, but the extractors, they are extracting based on belt speed. So so when you're upgrading belt speed, you're also upgrading the extraction speed, which is pretty cool. Now, 5's are a bit tricky at the part we are now. We could add 2's and 3's together to make 5, but we also still just want to deliver these because of these upgrades. So my solution is to just do a variation of this and deliver and make some places where we can just make really stupid amounts of additions here. So this takes in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 once, and add them all together to make a 5. It's not the prettiest solution to this, I think, but it's very easily scalable, and to be honest, that's the only thing I care about at this point. So actually, I don't think all of these are going to be helpful at this point here, but since we can do this now, and we can do this, then we can take all of this and just find more of these wands lying around here, like that, and we should have a decent production of 5s coming along here. Noise. You guys come there, and these. I'm guessing we are not gonna fill so many belts here, so this is fine. And yeah, it's gonna take a while because they're gonna prioritize to deliver to these things that produce 3s first, and after there's a backlog here, then they are going to start producing 2s over here, and then it's going to be a little bit better production here. Okay, let's see, delivery until there, and yeah, that's a little bit better. And extraction is now to 2 belts. Awesome. That means a lot more supply in all of these belts over here, and that should in essence double our production of 5s overall. Ooh, more upgrades. Ooh, yeah. So that should also increase the level of addition we can do, which is pretty cool here. Yeah, these messages coming here under my picture, they're not really that important. They just tell us what addition is and how the different things work. And I guess that most people watching my videos know what addition is and how it works. So it's basically how to think about these boxes here. Yeah, let's just do a tiny breather until we have unlocked level 5 here, and then we are starting to get a little bit more complicated things they want us to make here. So 10 isn't the worst thing in the world. We can probably make that pretty easy. We already have lots of sources of 5 here. So let's take a few of these sources of 5 and put them into more addition slots. Since we know that all of these outputs are 5s, we can freely do like this, and it takes so long to produce these lanes by hand. Let's just do this. Oh, we need to copy the entire thing. Shoop. Okay, and instead of you guys going down here, you can also come over here. Cool. Okay, delete this thing. These 10s, we will take them down here and deliver them through here. So this was the thing we just unlocked. This is a bridge. It lets all of the numbers that come from west go to east and north go to south, and vice versa. And yeah, 50 10s is probably not going to be too much of an issue here. Just don't know if we are we in need of more of these things here? Nah, it's probably fine. We just use this to make 10s here. And after that, we're gonna unlock extraction 3. So that means we can extract the 3s over here, and let us go out and appreciate the fact that we can have pretty cool numbers. Like here's 55 and stuff. Oh, is there anywhere we can actually extract numbers we're going to need in the future? I think 29 is something we're gonna need at some point, but yeah, it's a little bit cheeky to just extract the numbers and bring them all over. Or is it? I kinda only know we need specific numbers because I played the game a little bit earlier to just get the hang of everything. So yeah, maybe that's a little bit too cheeky. Let's just do it the correct way instead and start to look out for 12s. Okay, how can we make 12? Wait, what, 12? Does this number change every time you play? Because I'm pretty sure last time I had to make 11. Yeah, these numbers, they change each playthrough, so you can't just go over and just extract whatever random number you can. You need to be dependent on what kind of numbers you have you actually want, because that changes every time. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. Now 12 is going to be easy peasy. We just take this entire thing over here and put it on all the 3s we can find. For example, you, and that should add. No, this makes 9. This makes 9. Hang on. We need to demolish this. Nobody saw that. Okay, we basically need to do this a lot of times. Put it over here. Do it like this. And up like that. So this is this is copyable. Okay, we do this. And extract to here, and extract to here. And this should make 12s. Yeah. Okay, then we take you down here and into here and be happy. Okay, it's actually pretty neat that the numbers you need change every playthrough. Because then it's gonna be harder to speedrun, which means that it's actually going to be a little bit more about who actually can do the math on the fly, rather than who can just remember where we are supposed to do everything at all times. So let's see, is this creating a backlog, or is this just okay? I think it looks like it's flowing okay, and I also think it looks like 3 of these 3s are going to fill up a belt pretty decently, at least enough to make the 100 we need. Okay, so since we now know we can't really prepare for the next number, let's just work on making 18 and 16 and so on. How do we easily make? Oh, we actually over saturizing this belt over here. So we could do this to a 1 to make 4s and combine that with 12s to make 16. It seems like inefficient way to do things, but yeah, we're just done with these 12s, so I think we can afford. I think we can afford to do it like that. And let's see, we currently don't have anywhere to, where we are combining just two different numbers, so let's just demolish this part. We don't really need it anymore. We are done with the 12s, but maybe we can utilize them later anyway. So to just add two different numbers here, let's see, we do something like this, 8 of them down there, and we do like this, and a line down like that, and probably over here in case we want to make a longer overflow copy thing down the road. That's one of the numbers, and the second number we want it to come in like this and utilize these bridges we unlocked a little bit earlier. Okay, so we now want these 12s to come in here, and these 4s to come in here, and they are going to come out here like this, and they are, except for this thing, going to deliver out like that, and that's gonna be 16. Put you down here and over there. Okay. So now we need 22. 22 is actually going to be pretty chill. We just take the 12s and we add 10 to them. Don't think that's gonna be okay. Let's see. Okay, there are some 3s over here. Just gonna extract these 3s. Put them over here. That way we can very easily just remove this factory over here. And we are going to make another one of these over here. And we're gonna put it like this. And these 12s are coming in here. And these 10s are coming in over here. And stop delivering yourself. Instead, I want you guys to go over here. Actually, I don't think we need 5s anymore. We don't need 5s anymore, so yeah, this is fine. Just remove these things and deliver these 22s over here. Cool. And of course, these 22s as well. We don't need to deliver these 12s. Stop doing that. Actually, can we double deliver like this? That seems like the idea. We need more 10s, basically. There is a backlog of 5s over here. So basically we should do this thing and just expand it over here. It feels like it's flowing a little bit better now. And of course deliver the tens over here. No, you know what? Actually, let's make just a little bit of spaghetti. Like that. Yeah, okay. It's fine. We don't need a crazy amount of 22 production because we are already delivering almost all of the 22s we need here. So we are probably not going to see that the 10s coming over here matter. But we did double the production capacity, so I'm kind of happy we did it anyway. It's just that we didn't do it fast enough for it to matter. This guy is like the first out of this batch that is coming out there, and there we're done. Anyway, now we need to deliver 338. However, we also got another tool to our belt, the multiplier. And yeah, now we are really going to start to cook here. So, like 38, what do we even do to make that happen? We could do like 3 times 12 plus 2. No, that's bad. We could do 19 times 2. That's also bad. We do have 16. 16 times 2 is 32 plus 6. That's also bad. 38 is a bad number. But we will have to make do. Let's see. We can. I think we should utilize these 12s. We have a lot of. So we could make 24 plus 12 is 36 plus 2. That can make sense. Okay, we don't need this anymore, but we have lots of 12s. So this is a way to make 36. So let's just put this over here and demolish this part. Let's see, we need more, something like that. Copy over here, and I want it to go like that, and like this, and like this. This should produce 36. And then we take these 36s over to a place where you can add them together with 2. And that should make 38. Now this is not a particularly elegant solution, but I also think that the math we were supposed to do doesn't really have a particularly elegant solution as far as I can tell just now. But there might be a better way to make 38 than to just add together some 12s. Anyway, we are utilizing the resources we have available to us. So while we are making 38s, we probably also want to work on making 18 and making 19 and making 15. 15 is probably going to be a lot easier once we finish 38s, because then we can extract 5s, and there are some 5s nearby, some 3s there. So we probably want to do that later. But let's try to find a cool way to make 18 here. So 18 is basically 3 times 2 times 3. So we can, for example, here. Let's see. 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. So 2 3s are coming in here, and and then a 2 is coming in there. Is that gonna be working? I hope so. Maybe put it over there. Okay, so cut this over, put it over here, and then I want to copy this part after we make an output. Gonna make going to make this part over here like this. Didn't bring the output with me, but that's fine. Okay, this should be 18. You know what? Let's get both inputs from the same side. That way it's better to easier to expand it later. Like this. Yeah, that works. Okay. Bring it over. I think that works. It should work. 18! Yay! Okay. Okay. So I think we got far here. This first half an hour, and yeah, I think this game here has a lot of promise. Beltmatic, it's called. If you want to try it out, I put the link in the description down below. I'm the Harbinger, and if you enjoy this series, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode. See ya.